Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons. Today we are learning to write music. When we write a text, we take a piece of paper and a pen and we write letters one after the other to create words. When we write music, we need to draw a stave. To draw a stave, we simply trace 5 straight lines, one under the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we add a treble clef at the beginning. Having a treble clef at the beginning of the stave means that we can start writing music that's played from the middle to the high notes of the piano. For the low notes, we use a bass clef at the beginning of the stave. But today, we will only talk about writing the notes on a stave with a treble clef. This is the stave. We have 5 lines and 4 spaces. 5 lines and 4 spaces. Here we put the notes. On the lines, we've got E, G, B, D, and F. Every good boy does fine. On the line. On the spaces, we have F, A, C, and E. F, A, C, E, face. On the space. Now, try to remember this little rhyme. It's the easiest way to learn where the notes are on the stave. Let's sing it together. Every good boy does fine. On the line. F, A, C, E, face. On the space. Very good. Let's try it again. Every good boy does fine. On the line. F, A, C, E, face. On the space. One more time. Every good boy does fine. On the line. F, A, C, E, face. On the space. Now that you know where the notes are on the stave, let's find them on our piano. The first note is in the middle of the piano. First, the notes on the lines. E, G, B, D, and F. Every good boy does fine. Now the notes on the spaces. F, A, C, and E. Very good. Let's try it again. E, G, B, D, and F. Now the notes on the spaces. F, A, C, and E. Very good. Now it's your turn. Take a piece of paper and draw a stave. Oh, look, there's a butterfly again. Do you remember where it landed just before? Keep practicing. Bye bye.